Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Bag. I'm Ray. Today, we're going to look at a common situation, small talk at the office. Imagine you're in the break room getting coffee and you see a colleague. What do you say? Let's watch this short dialogue. Morning, Sarah. Catching a quick break?
Hey, Ray. Yes, I definitely needed a coffee refill.
I can imagine. It's been a pretty long morning, hasn't it?
Exactly. I've been staring at spreadsheets since 8 a.m.
Ouch. Is that for the new quarterly report?
Yeah, there's so much data to double check, it's exhausting.
I get it. If you need a second pair of eyes, let me know.
That's so kind of you. How about your department? Are things quiet?
Actually, it's the opposite. We're swamped with meeting preps.
Oh, I heard about the big Friday presentation. Are you ready?
Almost. We're just polishing the final slides now.
Well, at least the weekend is just around the corner.
True, I'm really looking forward to some downtime.
Me too. Do you have any special plans for Saturday?
I might try that new Italian restaurant downtown. Have you been?
Not yet, but I've heard their pasta is amazing.
I'll be the judge of that. I'll let you know if it's worth it.
Please do. I'd love to go there next week.
Anyway, I don't want to keep you. Good luck with the data.
Thanks, Ray. Good luck with the slides. Catch you later.
You too, Sarah.
Great dialogue, right? Now, let's break down some of the interesting phrases Sarah and I just used. These will help you sound more natural in your own office conversations. Let's take a look. Swamped. This means being very busy or having a lot of work to do. A second pair of eyes. This means having another person look at your work to check for mistakes. Just around the corner. We use this to say that something is happening very soon. Downtime. This refers to your free time or time when you can relax and not work. I'll be the judge of that. A playful way to say you want to decide for yourself if something is good. I hope these phrases help you feel more confident in your office conversations. Remember, small talk is a great way to build friendships at work. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. I'm Ray, and I'll see you in the next video.